welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am showing you these amazing gel polishes that I've received from Miss You Beauty. Please excuse the noises from upstairs. My husband is doing a little bit of decorating, so yeah, if you hear any noises, that's what that is. So this set here that I have is the limited edition Galaxy Cat's Eye gel polish collection. So you can get this on the website for £60 plus VAT, and with it you actually get a magnet as well, and this magnet has two sides to it. It's got this one, which is like a rectangle shape, I don't know what you call it, and then this side, which is like a little circle. So it's got two magnets. If you can hear some licking as well, that's my dog. She's licking my arm. She's sat on my knee. So you have my dog with me in the video as well. Okay, so I'm just going to start opening these and I'm going to see what they look like. I haven't opened them yet. So the first one I've got is Galaxy 05. They also put it on the top there, what they're called, Galaxy 05. So let's have a little look at this one. Oh my word. Wow, look at that colour. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. I love that one. So that's Galaxy 05. So the next one, I shall open it up. So this one is Galaxy 01. Ooh, I think I'm going to like the colour of this one. Wow, that's like a petrol green. Oh wow, that is amazing. Look at that, guys. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my word. Okay, so that's Galaxy 1. So this one is Galaxy 03. Oh heck, I can tell this is going to be my favourite. If I can open it. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh man. Look at the colours of that. Wow. So that one is Galaxy 03. So then this one is Galaxy 04. That's got like a bit of a blue to it, like a petrol blue. Oh man. That is amazing. And last but not least, is Galaxy 02. Oh wow. So this one's more of like a purpley colour. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, wow. Right, okay. So what I'm going to do with these gel polishes, guys, so I'm going to do some swatching and I'm going to show you exactly what they look like on the swatch sticks. Okay, so these are the Galaxy limited edition Galaxy gel polish collection from Miss You Beauty. As you can see, they are absolutely gorgeous. I just love the colours. I hope you can see them really well. I hope the camera is picking those colours up good because they are amazing. I just love them. So yeah, so I don't know if you noticed, but what I had to do, you will have noticed obviously, but what I had to do is I had to just put a coat of a layer of black gel polish first, and then the Galaxy gel polish went on over it. So before you cure it, obviously, before you cure the Galaxy gel polish, sorry, you use the magnet. So we've got either side, we've got this side here, or we have got the circle, and it just creates different patterns. I had a lot of fun creating these designs. I didn't know what I liked best, so I was like, oh, do I do it like this? I love it. Anyway, so I'm going to have a play about with some more designs, which I might put some pictures on at the end of this video. And yeah, so if you do like what you see here, then you can use my discount code on the Miss You Beauty website, which is Beautified10. I will put pictures on at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up as always. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.